In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Figma. This is a really useful skill to have when you're working on typography and need a creative way to present your words. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Figma file, so make sure you've got that ready. Once you're in your design, look for the Action button at the top of your screen. This will allow you to access various features in Figma. Next, you'll need to head over to the Plugins and Widgets section. You can do this by clicking on the Plugins option in the menu. Once you're there, search for a plugin called Curve Text. This plugin is essential for our task today, so make sure you click on it to add it to your workspace. After that, look for the Run option. This is where you activate the Curve Text plugin, so click on that, and a pop-up window will appear. Don't worry if it seems a bit overwhelming at first. I'm here to guide you through each step. Now that the pop-up is visible, it's time to start customizing your text. You'll first see a font picker. Click on that to select the font style you want for your text. This step is important because the font you choose will significantly affect how your curved text looks. With your font selected, you can now type in the exact text you want to curve. Just go to the Input field and type your desired message. You'll see it appear in the preview area, which is quite exciting. Once you have your text ready, it's time to choose the shape that will give your text its curve. You will have options like a square, circle, or other shapes available in a drop-down menu. Choose the shape you feel suits your design best. This will determine how your text is curved around the shape. Next up, if you want to take things up a notch and add a personal touch, click on the Customize button. This will allow you to draw your custom shape. Use your mouse or stylus to create the curve you want, drawing directly on your frame. Don't worry about being perfect. The curved text will adapt to whatever shape you create. Finally, select the shape you just drew. After selecting, take a look at the curved text pop-up once more. You should see your customized shape along with your text on it. How cool is that? It's a great way to bring more personality into your designs, making them stand out from the crowd. And there you have it. You've successfully curved text in Figma. This technique can really elevate your typography game, giving your projects a unique edge. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun design tips. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see how you use this technique in your own Figma projects.